Okay, so... Oh! I just saw one right up in the upper part of the troposphere. I don't know if I captured this a few seconds ago, but I know that I did capture the flash.
Is there gonna be a place at the lake that like will be accessible to get in and swim?
So no flash.
No.
Okay. Oh, you could go down by the boat launch and wade and splash, but
I thought we were going to the river.
yeah, the river's much nicer. Go to the river.
I thought
There's
we
a
were.
little beach there. Yeah, we will.
I was just wondering like if there's a place to just pull off from where your guys' cabin would be and just swim like.
Oh my gosh, I just saw bolts of lightning up in the sky.
Done with that.
Coach, but we didn't need a coach. Like, we didn't have one. Dio did pretty good.
Yeah. I saw him.
That was funny.
Sucks that your coach wasn't there to see it though.
Wait, huh? Well, I mean, against a good team. No, we didn't have.
I'm just gonna wait until another big flash of lightning comes on.
Who?
Well, I just
He's a
captured it.
wild, wild guess, cowboy.
Coach?
I better get out of here before my... Whoa. Alright, I'm out. See ya. Okay, so I decided to refilm the previous scene because I actually wanted to capture some more footage. Okay, so... yeah. Whoa. Crap, I missed it. Well, at least I still get the thunder, though.
No, it's not at the river.
Take pictures of your ecosystems.
Yeah.
Promise.
It's really good tomorrow.
Thank you.
Wow, your ring.
Oh, great. Man, I feel like I'm seeing the lightning more frequently than I have ever experienced last year.
I should check my Facebook. So the numbers are all.
Huh?
Just kidding, probably that one.
Ah, dang it, I always miss the good ones. Shoot. Obviously, I couldn't get that one because it was like way behind those trees. Oh, I think I captured that one. I don't know if I did, but I hope I did. I'm gonna watch the footage to see whether or not I did capture it or not. I'm hoping that I actually did. And I'm hoping and praying that I was actually right about me capturing the, well, that was another one. Oh, now that one was more bright. Oh look, it's starting to get more windy outside. Uh-oh. Sounds like the emergency alert system. What's going on?
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the
Following counties.
In Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
South.
northwestern Monroe County and southeastern Michigan, southeastern Washtenaw County and southeastern Michigan, southwestern Wayne County and southeastern Michigan until 10 p.m. At 9:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Milan, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 16 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. This severe thunderstorm will be near Willis around 9:45 p.m. Belleville around 9:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Milan, Carlton, Maybe, Willis, Willow, Azalea, Waltz, Oakville, Schofield, and Cone. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan: Monroe, Washtenaw, and Wayne.
Is that Clarkson?
No. It's all south of us, down towards Detroit. It's not even by us.
I don't even know why they even had to issue the emergency alert system if we live near Pontiac. Oh great. The emergency alert system's going off again.
You can change it.
No, it's fine. But I can tell this is like the same format. Look at it.
Are you recording it?
For the
Yep.
National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac
Plus, I was actually recording the footage of the lightning outside.
northwestern Monroe County and southeastern Michigan, southeastern Washtenaw County.
Okay, I better get out of here. Thanks for watching, and tune in next week for more videos. Alright, deuces.